are receiving insufficient blood. Okay. So, sabi in PET imaging, tapos heart scan, ang sagot dito, rubidium-82 chloride. Rubidium-82 chloride, kung PET. Pero pag SPEC or nuclear medicine imaging, this is technetium-99m sestamibine. Okay? I hope you get it. So, pag PET, rubidium-82 chloride. Kapag SPEC, technetium-99m sestamibine. All concerning heart. Okay? 83. Bone mineral density reveals that the T-score for patient A is negative 2.0. What is the bone mineral classification of the patient? Ayan. So, this is bone densitometry. Okay? Bone densitometry. So, negative 2.0, that is osteopenia. Okay. So, ang marker talaga natin is negative 2.0. Greater than negative 2.0, osteoporosis na ang meron. Okay? Greater than 2.0, tandaan, this is osteoporosis. 1 is normal. Did you get that? 1, normal. Negative 2.0, that is osteopenia. Greater than negative 2.0, that is osteoporosis. Okay. 84, which specific part of the body is scanned to measure the bone mineral density? Again, bone DEXA. So, ini-scan lang natin dito is the hip and the lumbar spine. But more important, or saan talaga kinukuha yung measurement ng bone density? Between, kung pipiliin ka between hip and lumbar spine, saan talaga ma-measure ang bone density? Sa hip or lumbar? Tingin nyo.
Lumbar? Lumbar.
Sa hip, actually. Sa hip. Dun sa neck, specifically sa neck ng femur. Dun tayo nag-measure ng bone density. We just included the lumbar spine because kapag naggagamot na yung pasyente, sa lumbar spine, unang nag-i-improve ang bone density. Okay? So, by routine, kung marorotate kayo sa DEXA, routinely, you will image hip and lumbar spine. But the bone density will be measured in the neck of the femur and lumbar spine to check for improvement in bone density. Okay? 84, that's C. 85. Which relaxation occurs longer? What is longer? T1 or T2? Siyempre si T1. Diba? Spin lattice relaxation. 86. Yan, 5 minutes na lang. Medyo nagmamadali na ako. In reducing or eliminating radiofrequency artifacts, an MRI examination room must have, ayan, yung radiofrequency artifact. Bakit, ano ba yung maidudulot na, ano bang mangyayari sa, anong specific artifact ang lalabas sa image mo kapag may mga radiofrequency na na-detect ang image?
Zipper artifact.
Yes, ganun. Zipper artifact. So, kailangan meron kang shield for the RF, Faraday cage, and appropriate site planning. Ilalayo mo syempre, baka naman katabi ng MRI yung radio station, yung mga ganyan. Okay? So, 1, 2, and 3. Ilang degrees nga uli yung magic angle artifact? Naalala ko lang?
55 degrees.
55. Ayun. Okay.
55.
Yes, very good. 87. It occurs at tissue boundaries where there is difference in acoustic impedance of adjacent materials. Ayan. If there is difference, parang between bone and soft tissue, there is a large difference in acoustic impedance. What will happen? What is the ultrasound interaction with matter? This is reflection. Or gas versus soft tissue interface. There is a large acoustic impedance, there will be reflection. Yan. Kaya, di ba, it's very impossible for us to image bone and gas in ultrasound. This is reflection. 87 is apple. 88 in nuclear medicine, which one is thought to be true on handling minor spills? Yan. Of course, number 1, inform other people na may natapon na radioactive. Put on protective clothing. Use lead apparels, diba? Monitor the area of the spill, yes. Notify the radiation safety officer immediately. Never dispose the material immediately and place it in the garbage bin. Otherwise, you will expose the janitor or other people handling the garbage, the normal type of garbage. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. 88 is boy. 89, what is the biological half-life of iodine-131 in the human thyroid? Tandaan, this is 64 days. Again, biological half-life ang tinatanong. Pag physical half-life, of course, you'll answer 8 days. But this is a biological half-life question. 64 days. 90, radiopharmaceuticals are used in the field of nuclear medicine as tracers in the diagnosis and treatment of many diseases. Relatively, the following are the characteristics of pharmaceuticals and its radioactive label except physiological behavior of the pharmaceutical. Yan. So, hindi na natin nilalagay yun sa label, yung behavior ng pharmaceutical. 90 is dog. Okay, last 10 questions. Medyo overtime tayo. 91. Urea breath tests are performed on patients with gastric ulcers to identify the presence of what bacteria? Ito yung nagkakos ng gastritis. This is Helicobacter pylori. Anong radiopharmaceutical ang ginagamit sa urea breath test? Anong radiopharmaceutical ang ginagamit sa urea breath test? Ang unang step kasi dyan, papainumin ka muna ng radiopharmaceutical and that would be a carbon-14. Okay, carbon-14 ang pinapainom sa pasyente sa urea breath test. Pag may Helicobacter pylori ka, the Helicobacter pylori will release urea and that will indicate the infection or the bacteria presence. Okay? 92. In spiral scanning, pitch is the ratio of the amount of table advance or the table feed per revolution to the section thickness. Or pitch is equal to table feet divided by the slice thickness. 93. The average energy of F18 is, of course, 511 keV. 93, 511 keV. 94. A radioactive sample has an initial activity of 8,422 counts per minute at 7 a.m. If the half-life is 4 hours, how much activity will remain at 7 p.m.? Ilang half-life ang magdadaan from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. if the half-life is 4 hours?
3.
Ilang oras ba? 7 a.m. hanggang 7 p.m. that's 12 hours. So, tatlong half-life, tatlong beses mong hahatiin sa dalawa yung 8,422. Tama? So, parang 8,422 divided by 2, 4,211. Isang hati pa, 2,105. Isang hati pa, 1,052 counts per minute. Okay, that's the principle of half-life. 94, that's letter C. 95, complete examination of the chest for investigation of bronchogenic carcinoma should include sections from the, parang ito yung, yung planning mo sa lungs. Planning mo sa lungs. Okay? That would be from the apices, top of the apices to the liver. Okay? Mali yung naka-highlight. Siyempre, top of the apices hanggang liver. Hindi mo kailangan ng mandible, di ba? Pero yung laser mo, pag topogram, nasa mandible. Pero yung isa-scan mo lang is from the top of the apices hanggang sa liver. Di ba? Yan. Okay? 95, there is an erratum. That's letter C. 96, CT image is formed in part by projecting back all of the attenuation values recorded during data acquisition onto a pixel. 96 is apple. Okay, 96 apple. 97. The average density of a mass within the kidney measures negative 75 Hounsfield units. What is most likely the mass composition? Of course, this is lipoma. Because cyst and hydrocele will have a HU of around 0. Whereas a stone is positive 1,000 yan. Diba? Or positive 800. Lipoma. 97 is boy. What matrix size, 98, was used to reconstruct an image with display characteristic of FOV 25 cm and pixel size of 0.49. Ano nga uling formula natin for matrix size? FOV
divided by pixel size.
Divided by pixel size. But of course, you have to convert your FOV to millimeters to be able to have the same unit. Diba? Hindi pwedeng 25 cm divided by 0.49 millimeter. So, you'll arrive at 512. So, that would be 250 dapat. 250 millimeter divided by 0.49. Yun. And that is 510. So, that's close to 512. Okay. 98 is C. 99, which of the following statements regarding pre-detector collimation of CT X-ray beam is true? Tama. Pre-detector collimation removes scatter radiation before it reaches the detector. 99 is dog. Last number, which of the following would be considered the best method to reduce respiratory motion in a CT image? Of course, this is good patient technologist communication. You instruct the patient, hingang malalim, pigil sa paghinga. Breathe in, hold your breath. Diba? 100, that's apple. Yan. So that ends our rationalization for your closed door. Do you have any questions or clarifications? Yes, nung last step of apices, there is a correction. Yep.
Number 68 po at saka 69.
68 and 69 will provide. Ito po. B and D. B and D. B and D.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Do you have any other questions, concerns? 74, that would be boy. 39, that would be C. Yan. Yan. So, sometimes may correction sa mga Google Forms, blah, blah, blah. This is the purpose of the ratio, to correct those errors. Diba? Ayan guys, it's 8 days before your board examination. I wish you all the best. God bless on your examination. Sana matuloy na, no? Yung board exam para maging RRT na kayo.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Ito siguro yung ano, no?
Thank you po, sir.
Hope this is my last lecture na sa inyong lahat. After this,
I'll forward you.
RRT. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye po. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.